Okay guys, we got a 2010 Lexus RX350. I'm going to show you how to replace this door panel, how to remove it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we have to remove this piece right here, and then this piece right here. So to remove this piece, just get a screwdriver or something, pop it out. And then to remove this piece, just pop it out like that. And then get a Phillips screwdriver. And then this screw down here. Okay, and then for the master switch or the window switch, just pop it up. Just like that. There's only two of those pink clips holding it. And there is a Phillips screwdriver right down there. Okay, now we're gonna go down here, pop it off. So you start on the bottom. And there is one more, I forgot. No, there's not. So on the front door, there's one like right here that you need to move. I think it's right here. Okay, now you're gonna go in here, pop these out, disconnect the speaker, the light. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.